First, we place the guide and add the product. We can open and close our pergola. Change the color of the structure. Change the color of the canvas. Dynamic button. The red color on each button indicates that products and functions are activated in our dynamic pergola. Deco button, accessory that is installed on the tip of the profile and on the support of the posts. The pergola has several types of awning, which are gazebo, intramuro. The awning between the walls can be left with or without a channel. Finally, tensioner and posts. The buttons A, B, C, and D indicate the position of the product on the sides of the pergola. Equals left, B equals front, C equals right, and D equals back. You can modify our pergola to suit the client with all possible variables. The plus button, as the name implies, allows us to convert any classic pergola into a new version called Plus with new functions. One of the functions of a Plus pergola is that its posts can be moved or even removed. We can activate or deactivate the plus button. We can open and close our pergola. We can activate or deactivate the structure or the covers of the pergola and also paint them. The covers can be painted a different color than the canvas. We can double our pergola. We can invert the pergola with the invert button found in the dynamic button. We can also see the different types of lighting on our pergola.